Definitely my favorite date so far.
This is really pretty. Hola!
Hola.
We came from up there.
Let's go!
Let's go! Area
You really don't
44.
want to leave that.
It's so green. You're like camouflaging.
Ah, this is new? We're in humans, I climb in peace.
This is so cute.
Ah, you can top the climb? Here you can put the top ropes then. I think that's what it means. Pillar.
This is really pretty. Very aesthetic.
Wow, this is so real.
Whoa.
I'm not sure if we are in the correct area.
Probably not. I think it might have been behind. It looks like a drop off.
This one is out of sight. There is a 10A. This one is nice.
You could come here after.
Maybe.
Here are people.
Yeah, I think I see them. I see the people. Medusa, 9.
Wait, is it recording? Oh, I think if it's red, it's recording.
Nice.
Okay. Wow. Scared.
Very nice.
First quick draw. Clipping. Okay, climbing.
Climbing. You got it.
Okay, I'm gonna do a high clip. High clip.
Nice.
Should I go right or left? I don't know. Oh my god, I'm
think
scared
it's
again. Left?
I do feel that left is possible, but doesn't look like a left.
Oh, yeah. How am I already scared? Okay, this feels good. This feels good. I don't know where the next bolt is, but... Oh, scary. Holy moly.
How is the quality of the rock?
Pretty good, I think. Scared.
Can you see the next bolt?
Yeah, but it feels a little far. Oh. Okay. It's a choice.
Is that your slabby?
Yeah, I guess. Need to trust my feet a bit. Oh my gosh. This rock feels so scary. I hope it doesn't fall. I'm high clipping. I see the anchor. Clipping. Okay. Look at the view. I am safe, yay! Okay, I'm gonna put in the anchor now. Wow, that was fun. That was really thrilling. I definitely bumped the camera a few times. Woo! Oh, thank you. What's that one?
8. Looks very fun.
Have fun!
Nice. Woo! I think right makes more sense. Flipping high. Ah, this is a very good hand. Yeah, I remember here you did a very funny move. It was actually cool. This is an amazing route. Definitely one of my favorites. This is so fun. True, it feels like if this fall, it kills you. This is not so easy. What the fuck here? In the flake, what you did? To the right or to the left?
Dude, I have no idea. I blacked out during my climb. I think I went right.
Yeah, I think I find things. Ooh, scary. Flipping. Flipped. Ooh, this is very fun. Wow, such a nice route. Beautiful. I'm safe. So cool. Rope. Nice. Coming down. Hey, very funny position. Cool. Yeah, I like it a lot. Definitely my favorite date so far in my life. Yeah, you're right. You found the anchor.
We're doing this one. Medusa's Werewolf.
Very cool name. Let's do it.
2 pitches. 5'9". I'm scared. What the heck is this? Did I go from the right
Yeah,
side?
I think, yeah, this looks very good.
Where?
Here, decent.
I think I'll just bypass.
Ah, no, like what the fuck? We'll click this.
No. I mean bypass your
Ah.
foot recommendation.
Yeah, you're correct.
I am on delay.
Yeah, kind of.
Oh my god.
Yeah, don't fall. I see a very good fall.
We do a high clip.
Best moment ever to do a hike.
Oh gosh.
It says that that's the hardest part.
This is the hardest part?
And then it says it progressed to very good steep jumps. Oh well, that's the second one. Nice.
Oh yeah.
I do believe that you find the coolest moves. Instead of the easy ones, you are like, yeah, which one is like going to look so cool in camera? You should find the easy ones. But
I don't think I do that on purpose.
I think you're very confident with your flexibility. So you do a lot of wide. Right now you're doing it.
Okay, clipping.
Yeah, I have you. Very nice. You're crushing it. Even faster than the 8.
I do find weird moves, huh?
Like it doesn't look like bad technique. Not something that I can do, but
Palms are getting sweaty. Wow, that's nice.
yeah, it's a beautiful view. Yay! Unreal. Very good.
Oh.
Do you see the next bolt? Where is the next bolt?
Good question.
You
Am I
see
supposed to go into this wall? Yeah, let me get into a restful pose. I see a bolt here, but it does feel very this way.
But you don't see anything else?
I only see that one.
Ah!
Is that one?
Yeah, you're going the wrong way.
No!
You see them?
Is it?
Yeah, I think so.
No!
But you can down climb.
I'm too scared.
No worries, no worries, no.
What do I do?
Yeah, if you can down climb a little bit, try to grab the flake.
I'm scared.
Nice. Yeah. I think you got it. You can rest if you want.
Yeah, can I rest?
Yeah.
Oh, that was a jump scare. Okay, so I have to go this way. It's
Dude.
so slab. I'm scared. I can't see any good holes though. Dude, I'm scared.
No worries. Rest a little bit.
I think I kind of get it. I'm just scared of falling. I wish I was comfortable with falling.
Yeah, me too. I'm the same.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Yeah, I got you. Nice. Yeah, that looks very good.
Oh, fuck.
Nice. Yeah, I think you got it.
Okay, and try to high clip it. Oh, fuck.
I got you. No worries. Even if you fall there, it's fine. Yeah, probably you need to progress a little bit more. Nice.
I'm grabbing it.
Yeah, no worries. Very good.
Thank you.
Very good. Pretty tough.
Yeah, my feet were cramping. Thank you for your patience. I really appreciate it.
No worries.
Fucking hell. 5'9"? I'm really glad I did that.
I think you did the hardest part now.
Sorry.
No need to be sorry. I love the reason I climb. Finding cool spots. This is an amazing place. We are practicing multi-pitch. I could not be more happy. And then a very cool bird, passed through the left. So very aesthetic day.
Okay, I feel like I just need to push through it. I feel like my feet are trembling. Like I'm gonna try. I'm blanking. Where did I... Slab, I tell ya. Slabs.
Yeah, those are my nemesis also. Nice. Hi.
Do you know what route you're on?
We think that is Medusa.
Do you know what?
Oh my god!
Very good.
Okay, that wasn't too bad.
How do you felt?
I should have let go of my hand, but it's okay. Thank you.
No worries.
That didn't feel bad.
You didn't scratch your hands?
No. No, I'm fine.
Do you know what grade this is?
9.
9.
This one is Medusa. Hopefully, if not, she's in the 10B and...
That would make me feel better, actually.
It's funny you said that because we thought we were on 5'8" and it turned out to be 11'8".
Whoa.
Oh gosh.
Why can't we make this move?
Okay, that fall actually felt nice.
It didn't look bad. I was worried that you were scratching your hands, but...
Yeah, I should have let go,
Yeah.
but I think I was like trying to grip something.
Yeah.
Okay, guess I'll try to go back up.
Very good. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you.
You really went for it.
Such a drag.
Hi.
What's going on? What is that one called?
We think it's Medusa. We
Medusa?
hope.
Yeah.
We got on the wrong one too.
Yeah, we were like, this is a 9, and then we looked and we're like, actually it's 11A.
Yeah.
That's fun. So it's fun rock.
You're like, this is gonna take an hour. Just one pitch, it's gonna take an hour.
I like that you really tried. That's the way to do.
Wow, fall really takes a lot out of you.
Yeah, for sure. And the last time I fall, it was in Mexico.
Wow, well, it just means you're climbing too easy.
Yeah, for sure. That's what I mean. Very motivating.
I'm losing morale. I feel like if I fall once more.
It's fine. If you fall one more, I can lead it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think you can do it, no worries.
Yeah.
Yeah, even if you fall. Scary is the spiciness of life.
Maybe I'm not made for this. I'm so scared.
What do you mean? You're ultra made for this? You kill it in the 8.
Oh my god.
Now the 9 is a little tricky, but that makes sense.
Okay, I'll try again. Oh shit.
Nice. Careful with the rope.
Oh, okay. I did a different route.
Yeah, it was more to the left, I will remember.
Woohoo! That was a trap.
Yeah, to the right.
To the right is a trap.
There is a slug in the rope.
Oh my gosh, good thing you're the one belaying.
So sorry. Sorry, man.
I'm really glad I went through with it. I was gonna give up.
Yeah, I feel it a little bit, but yeah, I know that you can.
Okay, I think I'm gonna try.
Nice.
Okay, I'm safe. Well, not actually. I feel good now.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Yay!
You crushed it.
I am safe.
Nice.
Yay!
So, woohoo!
Thank you.
You
Thank
rock.
you so much.
Well, how is the view?
It's great.
You're up, delay.
First pitch.
Woohoo!
Vertigo. Okay, clip in.
I was analyzing the route. Scary. Holy moly, indeed. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's good.
You're doing great.
Thank you. Fuck it. Yeah. My feet felt like they were slipping, so yeah. So now I go left, fuck my life. Yeah, I can see all the holes, but yeah, it looks like a little run. No, yeah, that's not good. That's not good. Oh, the fucking... I'm going to clip. Nice. This is a crazy climb, for sure. I'm going to rest a little bit. That's very fun. Wow, scared. Climbing, I think. Fuck. Ah, fuck. Not sure if I can clip there. Clipping high. Woo! Ah, that was fun. Can you take? Thank you. And now you see the reason I don't fall. It's easier than your pitch. Looks more exposed and more scary, but way better holds and feet. Climbing. Clipped. Woo! I can see the anchor. Almost there. This another anchor. Safe. Woo! Yeah, there is another anchor here. So I was thinking which one is better for recovering you. I'm going to recover you from here.
Wow, this is unreal.
Woo!
This is pure, like, I don't know.
Bliss.
I'm bliss. Yeah, I guess this is the feeling you chase. It's crazy how, like, humans figured out to do this, but still be safe. Finished the 2-pitch. Medusa's werewolf. Look so high. Wow, what a feeling.
This one is the best view, probably.
Wow, birds. I'm a climber, guys. That was scary.
Ah.
Whoa! Whoa! Probably giving nausea to my viewers.
Do you have viewers?
I have 30 subscribers. Yeah, I'm trying to vlog more. How do we get down?
I need to rappel you down first.
Okay, we're gonna go down. We'll see you at the bottom. Bye.
You're